no code is very, very important for business people. Now I'm going to talk about business people, because whether you're a freelancer, if you're a freelancer, most times you're going to be working for somebody who has a business idea. And if you're a business person that wants to actually create something without coding, you're going to be doing it yourself most times, or you might work with one or two persons. It's like that's literally how it works most times. A business person might have a partner, or they might work with a freelancer to create their platform. Now, no code is very, very important for you, because you can validate your idea. I think that's the most important answer to that question. Why is no code important? Now, many people have amazing ideas. I think I've been stuck in that loop too, where I have an amazing idea and I want to actually take out time and build it. In fact, that's the reason why I started no code. I spent over almost 3 million, 2 point something on like creating a lottery platform, and I spent a lot of time, spent a lot of money, and I was hyped, I was excited about it, and I was not able to, the idea was great, but I was not able to validate it. And validating the idea doesn't mean just trying to find out whether the idea is a good idea. Is also trying to gather up, and get those first users in the door. If you don't have those users, no matter how great the idea is, it doesn't make sense. And most times when you want to build an app, you might build an app or a platform based on your preconceived notions, what you think the user will like. But the truth is that you don't build apps for yourself, you build apps for your community, you build apps for your users, the people who are actually going to be paying you. And you cannot get the best solution when you are using your own head or your own mind to build that app. You have to get real feedback. You have to get real data from users. Oh, I want this feature. I don't want that feature. I want this feature. This feature is very important. And then from there, you'll be able to create an amazing platform. Now, one thing I say about businesses is that businesses are not actually, for any business I own, I don't call myself the owner. In fact, I call myself and my users, we are all co-owners of the platform, because the feedback I get from the users, the early users, will help me supercharge my app. Now, what does that mean for you as a business person? It means that if you have an idea, for example, for an e-commerce platform, let's say that, right, you can easily create a simple page or a simple platform that where you can host your products, and then go and start, marketing it. Start marketing. Marketing is very important. In fact, for me, marketing is more important than even the product at first. You might say I'm crazy, but if I'm coming from as an entrepreneur, now, that is the reason why no code is very, very important. You can validate your idea. I can talk more and more and more about validating your idea, but it's very important. I'm sure